everybody. I just wanted to give a calendar update because our next few weeks are going to be a little bit crazy. So tomorrow is the 16th. We will have Group B here, and then you have the weekend, 17 and 18. The week of the 19th through the 23rd is short again, so our all at-home learning day gets pushed out. Group A will come on their normal Monday and Tuesday, 19 and 20. Then Group B will push forward, so they will do Wednesday the 21st and Thursday the 22nd at school. 21 and 22, that's when Group A will be doing work at home. No new Canvas work will be posted on the 23rd. There won't be separate assignments there. If you have work on Canvas that has not been completed, that's a good day to catch up with your children. But just know that nobody's coming to school that day. That's a teacher prep day for conferences. 24 and 25 is the weekend. And then the week of the 26th through the 30th gets crazy also because there are 2 no school days here due to parent-teacher conferences. Group A will come on Monday, Group B will come on Tuesday, and everyone will be at home on Wednesday. There will be Canvas assignments here on the 28th, okay? So Group B will have at-home work on Monday and Wednesday. Group A will have at-home work on Tuesday and Wednesday. 29 and 30, like I said, no school, no new Canvas work. Use this to kind of catch up or kind of get our heads straight. On the 21st, I do know that the Board of Education is going to have a really important meeting to decide whether or not we're coming back to school for 4 days a week or not. So please tune into that if you're at all interested in what's happening. And we might have some big changes coming soon. We'll just have to wait and see. Another important announcement, the 26th and the 27th, we are doing book character days. So that'll be a dress up day for students. We encourage them to dress up like someone from a book. We do not call this a Halloween day by any means because we understand that not everyone celebrates that holiday. So we'll use it as a time to do some fall activities and students dress up as a book character, please. We try not to do anything gory, no big makeup or minimal accessories because we don't want anything lost or broken or left behind. But yeah, be thinking of that. We will have those dress up days coming up. And please check in your child's folder. I sent home yellow papers for their parent-teacher conferences. So that'll show what time you are scheduled and the day. These are happening over Zoom, so make sure that you will be able to log on to some sort of device with good Wi-Fi at the time so we can stay connected and talk about the progress students are making. We'll show you some stuff digitally on the computer, and then we'll send home report cards after that meeting. So I think those are most of my updates for now. If you have any questions, as always, just send me a message. Have a good evening.